श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. Engaging our mind completely to the glory of Paramatma. And every opportunity which is given by God to us to involve our mind, our speech and our activities to the seva of Paramatma, to the dedication of Paramatma, we all are fortunate. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾರೋ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದಿಂದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. When Paramatma chooses us, that is the greatest joy, greatest fortune. When we choose Paramatma, it looks little more like a burden sometimes, because we are naturally attracted towards everything which is far away, different from contemplation on Paramatma as a whole. We are concentrating on many things, we are applying our mind to many things, we are applying our intellect to many things, we are engaging our body also in many activities, and these activities also are individually Paramatma only, but we don't get the whole. Because the whole only gives the 100% ಆನಂದ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ಅನೇಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಚನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನು, ಶ್ರವಣವನ್ನು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಪರಮಾನಂದದ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಟಿರಿಯರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಸುಖ. We have wavering sukha, we do not have consistent bliss. So Paramatma Chintanam is the only be all end all. That is the remedy, that is the panacea, that is the Amritam. When Dharmaraja Yudhishthira asks Bhishma in the prelude to the Vishnu Sahasrama, Vishnu Sahasrama the Pithikeyalli ಧರ್ಮರಾಜ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರ ಬಂದು ಭೀಷ್ಮರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿಮೇಕಂ ದೈವತಂ ಲೋಕೆ ಕೋ ಧರ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮಾಣಾಂ ಭವತಃ ಪರಮೋ ಮತಃ ಕಿಂ ಜಪನ್ ಮುಚ್ಯತೆ ಜಂತುರ್ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಂಸಾರ ಬಂಧನಾಥ್. ಹೇ ಭೀಷ್ಮರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ, ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಜಗತ್ಪ್ರಭುಂ ದೇವದೇವಂ ಅನಂತಂ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಂ ಸ್ತುವನ್ ನಾಮ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಣ ಪುರುಷ ಸತತೋತ್ಥಿತಃ. ಏಷಮೇ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮಾಣಾಂ ಧರ್ಮೋ ಅಧಿಕತಮೋ ಮತಃ. ಹೇ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರರೇ, ಹೇ ಧರ್ಮರಾಜರೇ, ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಚಿಂತನೆಯೇ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮಧರ್ಮ. ದಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಧರ್ಮ, ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. If you are really able to connect yourself beautifully, 100% your mind and your activities to Paramatma, then Paramatma will take care of you. There is absolutely no doubt about it. ಹಾಗೇನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಹನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಭಾಗವತ ಮಹಾಪುರಾಣಂ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. We are in book 3 and discourse 2. We are in book 3 discourse 2, where Uddhava is replying to the question of Vidura. Yaddharmasunor-batarajasuye nirikshadriksvastyayanam trilokah कार्त्स्नेन चाद्येह गतं विधातुर अर्वाक्सृतौ कौशलमित्यमन्यत. यस्यानुराग प्लुतः सरास लीलावलोक प्रतिलब्धमाना व्रजस्त्रियो भिरनुप्रवृत्त धियो वतस्थुः किल कृत्यशेषाः स्वशान्तरूपेष्वितरैः स्वरूपैरभ्यर्द्यमानेष्वनुकम्पितात्मा परावरेशो महदंशयुक्तो ह्यजोऽपि जातो भगवान् यथाग्निः मां खेदयत्येतदजस्य जन्म विडम्बनं यद् वसुदेवगेहे व्रजे च वासोरिभयादिव स्वयं पुराद्व्यवात्सीद्यदनन्तवीर्यः दुनोति चेतः स्मरतो ममैतद् यदाह पादावभिवन्द्य मित्रो पित्रो ताताम्ब कंसादुरुशङ्खितानां प्रसीदतं नो कृतनिष्कृतीनां को वा अमुष्याङ्घ्रिसरोजरेणुं विस्मर्तुमीशीतपुमान् विजिघ्रन् यो विस्फुरद्भ्रूविटपेन भूमेर्भारं कृतान्तेन तिरश्चकार दृष्टा भवद्भिर्ननुराजसूये चैद्यस्य कृष्णं द्विषतोऽपि सिद्धिः यां योगिनः संस्पृहयन्ति सम्यक् योगेन कस्तद्विरहं सहेत तथैव चान्ये नरलोकवीरा य आहवे कृष्णमुखारविन्दं नेत्रैः पिबन्तो नयनाभिरामं पार्थास्त्रपूता पदमापुरस्य स्वयं त्वसाम्यातिशयस्त्र्यधीशः स्वाराज्यलक्ष्याप्तसमस्तकामः बलिं हरिद्भिश्चिरलोकपालैः किरीटकोट्येडितपादपीठः ततस्य कैङ्कर्यमलं भृतान्नो विग्लापयत्यङ्ग यदुग्रसेनं तिष्ठन्निषण्णं परमेष्ठिधिष्ण्ये न्यबोधयद्देव निधारयेति अहो बकीयं स्तनकालकूटं जिगंसयापाय यदप्यसाध्वी लेभे गतिं धात्र्युचितां ततोऽन्यं कं वा दयालुं शरणं व्रजेम मन्ये सुरान् भागवतांस्त्र्यधीशे संरम्भमार्गाभिनिविष्टचित्तान् ये संयुगे चक्षततार्क्ष्यपुत्रम् अंसे सुनाभायधमापतन्तम्. Uddhava has become totally very emotional, and he is relating to Vidura all the leelas of Paramatma. ಭಗವಂತನ ಲೀಲೆಯನ್ನು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಲೀಲೆಯನ್ನು ಉದ್ಧವ ವಿದುರರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಯಾರು ತಾನೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಲೀಲೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಲೀಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಾನೇ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Even today I am telling, even today, after how many thousands of years, even today, when Krishna Janmashtami comes, the Bharatiya Matas, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮಾತೆಯರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆನಂದ, ಅವರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಖುಷಿ, ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಆನಂದ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. When the children are told that it is Krishna Janmashtami, they will be waiting for Krishna to come, and many houses you will see from the doorstep they will make beautiful steps of Krishna coming to their homes. Very beautiful steps made out of rangoli or wet floor. They will make the steps, and then Krishna will come and reach home on their Krishna Janmashtami. That is the power of Krishna. That is the power of Paramatma on Bharatiya Sanskriti. How beautifully Paramatma has entered Bharatiya Sanskriti. So who can forget that? So Uddhava is saying, beholding that form which was the highest delight of all eyes at the Rajasuya sacrifice of King Yudhishthira, son of Dharma, the god of virtue, the inhabitants of all the three worlds thought that the entire workmanship of Brahma in creating this mortal world had been exhausted in fashioning that form. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಾಜಸೂಯ ಯಜ್ಞದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಲೋಕಗಳಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಾದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದೇವರು, ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತೃ ಆದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದೇವರು ತನ್ನ ಕರಕುಶಲವನ್ನು, ತನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಈ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಂತೆ. ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ, ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ as all the art of Brahma and all the beauty that Brahma could bring forth, it looked like as though he has brought forth in the form of Sri Krishna. Feeling honored by his love-laden smiles and jokes and sportive glances which reciprocated their love, the women of Vraja followed him in his excursions to the woods with their eyes and mind and stood like statues, leaving their household work half finished. ವ್ರಜ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೃಂದಾವನದ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಾತೆಯರು, ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಗೋಪಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರು, ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮೋಹಿತರಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯವರು ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಮುಖ ಕಮಲ, ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ. With a mind full of compassion for his gentle forms, Vasudeva and others that were being persecuted by his wild forms such as Kamsa, the Lord, who is the ruler both of Prakriti and the manifest creation, though unborn, appeared in this world of matter along with his glorious part manifestation Balrama, even as fire, which though present everywhere in latent form is manifest through wood. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ರೂಪಗಳೇ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ. ವಸುದೇವ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಶಾಂತ ರೂಪ, ಕಂಸ ಬಂದು ಉಗ್ರ ರೂಪ, ಮತ್ತು ಬಲರಾಮ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪರ ಅವತಾರವೇ ಸರಿ. So Paramatma appears in different forms, just like Agni is present everywhere, but Agni wants to appear in the form of a matchstick, the flame of a matchstick, the flame of a lamp, and the very terrifying forest fire also is Agni only, and the fire in the stove is also Agni only. Everywhere Agni only, but Agni as a whole is Paramatma. That he who is unborn should assume the appearance of being born in the house of Vasudeva and dwell in Vraja as if for fear for the enemy Kamsa, and that he who is possessed of infinite prowess should himself flee the city of Madura, scared as it were by Kalayavana, puzzles me as something irreconcilable with his divinity. ಆ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಾದ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಂಸನ ಭಯದಿಂದ ನಂದಗೋಪನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಥುರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಅದೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಬಂದು ಮಥುರೆಯಿಂದ and why he should run away from Kalayavana, we are not able to understand that. He went and dwelt in Vraja, left Mathura and went and dwelt in Vraja as though fearing Kansa. So what all natakas is this Paramatma does? As though fearing Kansa. So what all natakas is this Paramatma does? I don't understand. My mind is filled with agony as I recall what he said to his parents Vasudeva and Devaki bowing at their feet. Dear father and mother, being in great dread of Kamsa, we, Balrama and myself, failed to render any service to you, repay our debt to you, therefore be pleased to forgive us. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಾದ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆಯರಾದ ದೇವಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಸುದೇವರ ಪಾದದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಲರಾಮನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಹೇ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯರೇ, ನಾವು ಕಂಸನ ಕಾಟದಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ. Can you understand this one? Sri Krishna Paramatma along with his elder brother Balarama falls at the feet of Vasudeva and Devaki, their mother and father, and they tell them, because of the fear and the torment of Kamsa, we were not able to fulfill our duties as children to you, so forgive us. What is this Leela? Who can understand this Leela? Who can understand this divine play? Having inhaled the fragrance of the dust of his lotus feet, what man can ever forget it, remembering that he is the same Lord who removed the earth's burden by the mere play of his arched eyebrows, which represents the god of death? ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಅವರ ಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮದ ಧೂಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಪದ್ಮದ ಧೂಳನ ಒಂದು ಸುವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿ ಸವಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್? ಅದೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ತಾನೇ ತನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಅಲುಗಾಡಿಸಿದ ಮಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲುಗಾಡಿಸಿದ ಮಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಭಾರವನ್ನು ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. Did he not remove the burden of Bhumadevi by just moving his eyebrows? You must have seen with your own eyes the consummation, oneness with Lord, attained by Shishupala, the king of Chedi, who hated Sri Krishna, a consummation which even yogis, ascetics long to attain through the efficient practice of yoga. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಟು ವೈರಿಯಾದ, the enemy of Sri Krishna, that is, Krishna does not have enemies, but the enemies consider Krishna as their enemies. So Shishupala, he was a cousin actually. That Shishupala also he was given the opportunity to commit 100 crimes, because he was committing continuously crimes. So when his mother came and requested Krishna, she came and said, please do not kill my son. So Krishna said, I will permit him, I will allow him to commit 100 mistakes. After the 100th one I will kill him, but up to 100 I will allow him. So when the 100th mistake was done, then Krishna takes the chakra, Sudarshan chakra, and kills Shishupala. And to the onlookers, kannanda ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಶಿಶುಪಾಲನ ಆತ್ಮ ಹೋಗಿ ಭಗವಂತನಾದ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. When the onlookers were seeing, they saw that Shishupala's atma goes and merges in Sri Krishna, the particular state which even yogis find it very difficult to attain. ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕಷ್ಟವಾದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅದು, ತನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮನನ್ನು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋದು. Who could bear separation from such a benign Lord? ಯಾರಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಅಂಥ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಅತಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯವಾದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ವಿಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಸಹಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Who can ever bear the viraha, the separation from such a Lord? Similarly, such other heroes of this mortal world as were killed in action during the Mahabharata war by the missiles discharged by Arjuna, son of Pritha, while drinking with the cup of their eyes the nectar of Sri Krishna's lotus-like countenance, which ravished all eyes, attained to his supreme abode. ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸಾರಥಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆ ವೈರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ತ್ಯಜಿಸಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದ್ರಲ್ಲ. Even the war heroes, the kshatriyas, the enemies who fought and had darshan while fighting, they had darshan of Lord Krishna as the charioteer of Arjuna. When they had darshan and then they fell on the battlefield, they also attained oneness with Krishna. Who can forget that? Himself the suzerain Lord of all the three worlds, he is equalled by none, much less surpassed by anybody, and has all his desires satiated by virtue of his own supremely blissful character. Paramatma is the Lord of all the universes. Paramatma is the Lord of everything what we know. He is unequalled by anybody, and he has no desire at all, and his blissful character is always blissful only, and he does not need anything from anybody. He is soul and whole and soul. He is Ekaha, Ekam Brahma, Dvitiyam Nasti. Such is the nature of Paramatma, unforgettable, inimitable nature of Paramatma. So again today you see how the minutes have passed, how the time has just passed. This is called as Katha Kalakshepaha. Katha Kalakshepa. We are doing satsang. What we are doing is Katha Kalakshepaha. Kalakshepa is the passing of time. Kalakshepa is the passing of time by dwelling upon the glory of God. We have successfully, in other words, by the grace of Paramatma, we were able to do this today. Again we are lucky. We pray to Paramatma that he gives us more and more such beautiful opportunities to always be in his contemplation. Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana, Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana, Keshava Madhava Hari Narayana, Keshava Madhava Hari Narayana, Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana. Shri Venu Gopal Krishna, Shri Venu Gopal Krishna, Madhava Madhusudana Narayana, Madhava Madhusudana Narayana, Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana, Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana. ఓం సహనావవతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. సర్వే భవంతు సుఖినః, సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః, సర్వే భద్రాణి పశ్యంతు, మా కశ్చిద్ దుఃఖభాగ్ భవేత్. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి.